the cutest puppy in town. Before you start jumping, just smells out like fun and ring that bell and subscribe to the bell.
Don't mind our messy fingers.
So we'll explain more on that later. But
So today, guys, we're going to teach you how to make a DIY
tangle out of
macaroni. Okay,
So-
so for this, you're going to need a pipe cleaner, macaroni, a marker that is optional. If
Permanent. It needs to be permanent, but
it's optional. It has to be permanent if you do decide to do it.
and that's it.
Yeah, so that's
quite
it.
simple.
And scissors.
Yes, you're also gonna need scissors. Don't forget that.
So
You're gonna
why our hands are so dirty is because we colored our macaronis. This is actually mac and cheese that we use, but
macaroni.
yeah.
So what
Yes.
we did to help us color them is we actually put a mechanical pencil. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we put it up pretty high, so that we could stick the macaronis on and color it more easily. And it helped a lot. So we
let's
colored it. You're gonna need about 20 macaronis. We have exactly 20, and we did 4 colors, and we have 5 of each color.
Mayo.
What the heck?
Okay. So
Okay.
you're gonna start by threading one of your colors that you want to start with onto your macaroni. You do not have to color them. I repeat.
You do not. but
And
we
if your
can do-
macaronis are really thin, it's not. Then it's kind of hard because ours are really thin. So it's a little hard to get it to the bottom.
You're also going to want to leave some excess here.
Room, probably about 1 inch. No, it's not an inch, but around an inch.
That's an inch.
So you know how your macaronis are curved? So if you curved it like
If it's
a
up like
rainbow,
that.
do an upside down rainbow next, and then do a different rainbow.
So it's
Then
going to
do
be
the
this,
regular rainbow. So it's
this,
in a pattern.
These are so simple.
So
and
now I
this.
put it on like a smiley face.
Yes.
Smiley face. How happy.
Hey,
Smiley faces and rainbows. How happier can this tangle get? Okay, so see, I put it on like that. So now they're like opposite. And some macaronis are more curved than others are. And then you're going to do it like rainbow
And
again.
in your pattern, so we're going to speed the video up while we do this. Some macaronis can get stuck around.
Stickeroni, macaroni. Oh no.
And what's shaking? Maple bacon sounds so lovely.
I don't need to kill them. Never.
Okay, guys,
Okay,
so
guys,
hold on.
we finished.
Hold on.
It's a kind of small mine.
Yeah, but that's okay. If you guys have bigger pipe cleaners, go for it.
I
But
had to keep cutting mine if you guys couldn't see.
so now all you're going to do is you're going
To
twist the ends of the pipe
together, and then you're going to cut the excess. I don't have much excess. I have a ton of excess. Got this. Ta-da!
Nip. Okay, that was.
So yeah. There's your DIY tangle.
And this is actually.
Mine's actually really small.
And I'm gonna actually tape around the edge because if you just didn't see
It
that,
really pokes.
let's do instant replay. One pokes and two it just fell off. So,
Let's tape it. Yeah, so you don't have to do this taping step.
but
Ow! It keeps poking me.
So you might need the taping step.
You might. Ow! That just pokes through the tape. That hurts. Oh! I have an idea.
Okay, this is cool. I actually like this one, like a lot.
Okay, guys, so before you guys go, I have a little trick for you that will really help me and help them stay together and not poke you. Take some modeling clay. This is air dry clay that you're using.
But this is actually super cool, and it feels like a real tangle. Like you can scrunch it and then.
I have a real tangle.
Yes.
So.
Really good. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching.
And-
Actually, kind of doubles with the bracelet. And we'll see you next time on the Bella Vlog.